Hi friends, so in this video we will be checking wiring of submersible starter. First let me explain the circuit diagram of starter. So here you can see the circle. This is a motor. Inside motor you can see two windings, one run winding and one start winding. From run winding there is one cable which is going outside, that is a red cable. Then from start winding one cable going outside, that is the yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the motor, that is the blue cable. We can see that blue cable is connected to both run and start windings of the motor, so we call it as common cable. That common blue cable, you can see it's directly connected to the neutral of the main power supply, and the phase of the main power supply is directly connected to the red cable which is coming from the motor. And there is a capacitor. That capacitor is connected to red and yellow wires which are coming from the motor. So it's very simple. Neutral from the main power supply we can connect to the blue cable. Phase from the main power supply we can connect to red cable, and there is a capacitor that we need to connect to red and yellow cables. So these are the red, yellow and blue cables which I explained, which is coming from the motor, red, yellow and blue. So first I am going to connect this capacitor to red and yellow cable, red and yellow. So here I need to connect the capacitor. So here I am using this capacitor. So this capacitor I am going to connect here one end of capacitor to red cable, other end of the capacitor to yellow cable of the motor. So now I completed this capacitor connection. Next I am going to connect neutral from the main power supply to the blue cable of the motor. You can see blue cable here. So I am going to connect neutral from the main power supply to this blue cable. So these are the cables which are coming from the main power supply, red and black. So this is phase, this is neutral. So neutral, this neutral I am going to connect to this blue cable which is going to motor. Okay, then this phase from the main power supply, that we can directly connect to a red cable which is coming from the motor. You can see this red cable is already connected to capacitor, red cable to capacitor. So we need to connect phase also here. So total 3 wires will come here. So phase also we can connect here. You can see total 3 wires. So done. So this is the starter connection. If you need this switch, you can connect a switch here in this phase line, this line. Let me remove this cable. Phase cable. Then I am going to use one switch. You can use better switch. For this demo I am using this switch. Connect switch here, main phase from the main to switch, then other end of the switch we can connect to a red cable which is coming from the motor. So this is the starter wiring. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.